All right, let's look at the logic here. So if it's year destroyed not equal to 0, that means it was destroyed, and we're going to do this logic. If it is equal to 0, that means it's still standing. So we're going to drop down and do this logic. So it's the otherwise. We're going to do this or that. So in the case with our first wonder, it's not destroyed, it's still standing, the pyramids are still there, or at least that pyramid is. So we're going to look at the math that has to happen. We're going to do value of select history of year built plus 2008. 2008 is when the book came out, so that's where you get that. I guess we'd add on about 6 or 7 more years if we wanted to bring it up to today. And all we have to do is just add on this number here. It's as simple as that. Value of select, and you can just add on. For some reason, this always gives me brain freeze, but I think the -1 is just a handle for the year of 0. I don't know what the deal is there, but anyways, -1. We could ignore that. In fact, I can just take that out of there if we wanted, and we would get a slightly different figure. So we get 4, 5, 7, 8. Let's just put it back and see what happens here. Save it. Run it again. And 4, 5, 7, 7. Okay, so that's for the first one. If we were to do these other ones that did get destroyed, then this is where that logic is going to happen. And they have to decide, are they in the BC? There's a certain math that happens. It's a minus. If it's in the AD, there's going to be another kind of math that happens here. So a lot of logic here. The main thing I was really wanting to show you were these plus and minus signs and how you can do quite a bit. This other logic here, we've seen this before. When we run it, it's looking for height. If it's not equal to 0, it prints it out, and we've already seen that. And then this all gets built out. Again, it's like a for each loop. It all gets built out and essentially returned back up to here to wonder, because remember, all this stuff is down here. This is all the template from here to here. It's a lot of programming going on, and it all gets returned back up to here, and this little basically this little apply templates gets returned and then sorted, because remember we have our sorted, build out, this gets closed out, our table, body, HTML, and then that little template gets closed out, and we're done with that. So that video is basically showing basic math operations in XSLT.